Hello students, we are continuing the same chapter Python. So in the first program, I explained you about how to find the sum of two numbers. Then I explained you to add the marks in 5 different subjects and print the total marks and average. So now I am going to explain you another program. So the another program that I am going to explain over here is I have been told to write a program to calculate simple interest. To calculate simple interest. To calculate simple interest when the principal is equal to rupees 70,000, rate of interest is equal to 8% and time is equal to 4 years. So now we have taken another program. This is the short form of write a program, WAP, to calculate the simple interest when the principal is equal to rupees 70,000, rate of interest is equal to 8% and time is equal to 4 years. So now here the first thing that we have to do is we have to take the variable for principal, another variable for rate of interest, another variable for time. So now we have also take another variable to find the simple interest, in which we will be using the formula to find the simple interest. So now let's begin our coding. Suppose I have taken a variable, say principal. I have taken a variable, say principal, and the value is, this is the assignment operator, and 70,000 is the value that will be assigned to it. Remember, there will be no comma and no rupees sign will be used over here. So whenever we are assigning a value to any of the variable, remember we will not use any of the special symbols like dollar, rupees, comma, etc. Just simply write the numbers. So principal is equal to 70,000. Now I have taken another variable, say rate. Rate is equal to 8%. So I have just written the 8 over here, and now I have taken another variable, time. So time is equal to 4 years. So just I have written 4 over here. So remember, in rate no need to write percentage sign over here, and in time no need to write years over here. So these are the 3 variables and the 3 values that I have assigned to these variables. Now I have taken another variable, say simple underscore interest. Remember, this is the sign of underscore, simple interest. And then I have used over here principal multiplied by sign, rate multiplied by sign, time. This is the formula of finding the simple interest, principal into rate into time, and then divide it by 100. 100.0. I have used 0.0 over here so that the answer may come in decimal values also. If I don't use 100.0 over here, the answer will be in simple integer only. So simple underscore interest is a variable that contains the value of principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time, and then the multiplication answer will be divided by 100.0, and the answer would be stored in the simple interest variable. Now I can simply print the values over here. So I have written print principal, print rate, print time, print simple interest, print simple interest. So this is the programming of this question. I have taken principal as the variable, 70,000 the value assigned to it, rate is equal to 8, time is equal to 4. Then I have taken another variable named simple interest, in which I have multiplied principal into rate into time divided by 100.0. I have printed the principal, the rate, the time and the simple interest. So this is the simple program of finding the simple interest of principal, rate and time. So now let's take another program. So suppose I have been given another program. So write a program to multiply three different numbers. Write a program to multiply three different write a program to multiply three different numbers and display the answer So I have been told to write a program to multiply three different numbers and display the answer, or here we can write display the product. So I have taken a variable, say num1 is equal to 8. I have taken another variable, say num2 is equal to 9. I have taken another variable, num3 is equal to 10. So these are the three different variables. Num1 is equal to 8, num2 is equal to 9 and num3 is equal to 10. So these are the three different variables. Now I have taken another variable, say product. So product is equal to num1 multiplied by num2 multiplied by num3. So I have multiplied the three numbers and have stored the answer in the product. So now I can print the product. So print product. So this is a simple program of multiplying the three numbers and displaying the answer. Number 1 is equal to 8, number 2 is equal to 9, number 3 is equal to 10. I have multiplied the three numbers, stored the answer in a variable, say product, and I have printed that answer. So similarly, we can also find the division answer of dividing two numbers and also finding the quotient. Quotient means finding the remainders. So there are many programs that we'll be doing in the further classes. So this is just a simple explanation of doing some simple programs so that your concepts get clear over here. I hope that till now you all would be able to write simple programs of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like finding the simple interest that I have explained you just earlier. So all these are the simple programs. There are many more different types of programs that can be done. So but in our syllabus till now what I have explained, all these things are only mentioned. So as we will be continuing in the further classes, so we will be explaining those programs or in the class 10th, 11th and 12th. So thank you.